Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another character from Naruto. This time it's gonna be Shino Aburame. And for this video, I'll be drawing two different outfits for Shino. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw these. Alright, so let's draw this awesome character, and to begin we're gonna start out with his eyeglasses first. So it's just gonna be two circles. So one, and then just come over, draw another one. Just try to do it exactly the same size. Alright, and then from there we're just gonna connect this. Just give it a slight curve. And then now we're gonna come out to the side to draw in the side of the face. Just kind of bracket the eyeglasses first. And then we'll come across on the bottom. It's got a really big collar, just cover up his mouth. And then from there we'll draw in the bottom of the headband. So this part we're just gonna curve it all the way around, right over the glasses. And then let's add in some details right here to finish up the face. So for his eyebrow, just right over the glasses, slanting up. And then for the glass frame here, just start in the middle and just go out. Alright, and then let's continue on with the headband. So I'm just gonna continue with this line here, just go out a little bit more. And then go straight up. And then one more curve, exactly the same as the one on the bottom. So this is gonna be the top of the headband. And then just come back down here and finish it up. His ear is gonna be right here. So right underneath the band right here, just curve into the face. Okay, and then for the little plaque in the center here, so right around here, almost the side of the glasses, just draw two lines, and then just follow the curve on the top and bottom, just draw another line, same curve. And then for the little logo here, let's start out right in the center. Just kind of curl. One more all the way around. And then go out on this side. And it was a little bit small. Hope you guys can see this. And then one little angle on the bottom. And let's just add in some dots right here. Alright, so now let's finish up his head with his awesome looking hair. So start on the side here, I'm just going to bracket just some of these zigzags. Start on this side as well. Okay, and then I'm going to come up in the center here. I'm going to add a couple of zigzags like this. And this will just kind of give me the overall height of his head and hair so that I know how far up to go. So then once I have this, I'll just start out here. Just kind of go all the way up. So just try to keep it a little bit round. And of course it doesn't have to be exactly like this, just as long as you have some of these spikes. Alright, and then on the inside if you want to, you can add in a few of these spikes. Yeah, really cool looking hair. So now let's move down, and for his collar here, we'll just extend this line. Again, it's really big. And then we'll come down, just kind of round it out. And just come in slightly. This is gonna be part of the fold. Okay, and then right on this corner here, this is gonna be a shoulder. Slant out. And then for his coat, we'll just come all the way down. Just make it a little bit wider on the bottom. And then close it off. And then the center here, I'm going to add in two lines. One line across going this way. And then some buttons, one right here. And then here's the neck area, just one slightly below it. And now just add 2 more. Okay, and then we can add in some folds. Just a couple of lines like this, going this way. And then lastly, for his pocket, just come down here, just draw 2 slants. And then we'll go straight down, just round off the bottom. And then one more line on the pocket. Okay, so that's this coat, and it's really simple. So now let's try in this arm, because this hand's gonna have a slightly different gesture. So we take the length of this right about in the middle here. It's got a really big coat, so this is gonna be the armpit area. And come back up here. Just go all the way down to here. And start in the armpit, curve down, and then close it. Add some detail here. And then now we can draw in his hand. So for his hand, his thumb's gonna be right here. Just a little hook. Slant down for the palm. And then here's the back of the palm. And then now just drawing the fingers, I'm just gonna curve down. Just round it and come back up and connect to that. And then for the other fingers, I'm just gonna add one little detail here. Alright, and then now for this hand, we're gonna give him a different gesture here. So again, right in the middle of this, right around here, just come out, draw a little hook like this. This is gonna be his thumb. Okay, and then once we have that, let's go up. That's gonna be his palm. And for his finger, we'll just extend it. Slight curl, come back in, and just stop right there. So that's gonna be one of his finger. And then one more, so start here, just kind of curl it down. So that's 2, and then this one's gonna be bent, so it's just gonna be 2, like almost like little egg shapes. Okay, and then once you have all these fingers, we'll just connect this, and this is gonna give us the palm. So come down, and just round it out, connect to the thumb. Alright, and then to finish up the arm, we start here, we just go down, just go right behind the hand. Okay, so this part's a little bit tricky. And now for the cuff, so I'm going to start here, just draw like a U shape, come down and kind of like touching the, going back up, touching the thumb. And then this part, just go in. And then we're going to draw this line here, which is going to be here. So from the thumb, just going to draw another line, exactly the same as that. And then for his arm on the inside, so we just start here, just kind of curl it and tuck it inside. And it was a little bit tricky because the arm's bent. Alright, hopefully it's not too bad. And for his legs, it's really easy. Okay, so now let's keep going down. On the side here, just come down. This is going to be where his knee is going to be. So here's the middle. Just come over a little bit. Come down and just close it. So let's draw on the other side. So same thing here. Come down. Here's the middle. Come over. And then close it. And I'm going to add one section here for his lower leg before we draw on his shoe. So just come down, just a little rectangle. Gonna be a little skinnier. And then for his shoe, we'll extend this line here and draw another rectangle. Okay, extend the line. And then for his shoe here, come down. We're gonna come across. This is gonna be the bottom of the shoe. And then we'll draw in just a curve going up. Come back down. And then start here. just curl. And for the bottom of the shoe, which is at one section. And then for the toes, I'm just gonna draw in these lines. So I'm gonna curl this way. I know there's more, but I'm just gonna draw in 3. Alright, so we'll keep it simple. Same thing here. Come down, and then come across. Curl, come back. Start here. On the bottom, it's a rectangle. And then for a toe, we're gonna go this way. So here's the toe, and then the other ones. Again, just 2 other lines. Okay, and then let's see, it's got some straps here. So just draw 2 big lines like this first. And then in the middle, I'm gonna draw 1 band. So this part's gonna be blue. And then for the little pouch on the side, just a little bracket. Alright, so let's draw in his other version, and this one's pretty cool. I really love the design on this character. Alright, so we're gonna start out with his glasses again. And this one's a little bit smaller. Just 2 circles again. In the middle, we're just gonna connect this. Just give it 1 curve. On the top, just straight across, connecting that. And then now we're gonna draw on the side of the face first, and then we'll finish up the glasses. So just come out to the side here, again, just like a little bracket. And then on the bottom here, just connect it, and it should be right underneath the glasses. Okay, and then once we have this, now we can finish up the glasses. So just come straight across. And then on the bottom part here, let's draw 1 line again, going out. Now we can draw in the headband. So again, on the corner here, just gonna curve all the way around. And let's just go ahead and finish up his eyeball right here. Inside, just 2 slants again. Now we can draw in the hoodie. So we're gonna come up here, just draw another curve, just right over the bottom curve here. And then this one's gonna go all the way down. So this is gonna be the inside of the hoodie. So just come down first. Of course, this is gonna be a lot longer, but we'll figure that out later. Alright, and then once we have that, if you have any spaces in here, just kind of close it off for the headband. And then again for the plaque inside, it's right around here, 2 lines. Same curve as the bottom. And we can't see as much of the logo here, so I'm just gonna draw a circle, and then 1 little curve inside, and then here's the little corner. Alright, so now let's finish up the hoodie on the outside. So I'm gonna come up onto the top here. It's gonna be a little bit flatter. It's almost the same as this actually. So just come up, just draw that, and then now we're gonna come down all the way around. And then I'm gonna draw in a couple of lines here. This would be the bottom of his chin or the neck area. Just some folds. And then I'm gonna come across. This is gonna be his shoulder. So we're gonna slant out. And now we're drawing his arms, and it's gonna be in his pocket, so it's gonna be a little bit different. Right here, slant down. So this would be his armpit area. We're gonna go back out. This is gonna be his elbow area. So just come down and go out. And then on the outside, here's his shoulder coming down. Just meet up to this point. And I'll draw both sides at the same time here. Alright, and then right here, it's gonna bend in. Here's the pocket, so we're gonna slant down. And then whatever space you have here, from the elbow area, just curl it and connect to that. So that's just gonna be his arm. And then let's add in one detail here for the cuff. And right here, here's the elbow. Just gonna draw a couple of lines here just to show that the folds of the clothing. So it's curl out. Alright, so now we can continue on with the jacket here. So on the inside of the hoodie, we'll continue that down past this. Right here, come down and just close it off. Okay, so just come out here, nice and wide for this jacket. Okay, and then for the pocket detail here, I'm just gonna extend this line here. So it's gonna look like it's going into the pocket. Alright, so now let's finish up. It's got some pretty unique clothing here. So right in the center here, I'm just gonna come straight down. And then on this side, come across, and then just draw another line, just close everything off. Then from here, come in, and then this part's gonna go up. And right around here, just kind of tuck it in. Okay, and then on this side, this one's gonna come straight down. Now we'll come across, and again, just close that off. So that's 2 layers of his jacket, which is pretty cool looking. And then right here in the middle, we'll just add one line. Alright, so now we can draw his legs, and his legs is pretty similar to the other versions here. So start here, come down. This is gonna be around where his knee is gonna be. Just close that. So let's draw on the other side. Come down and then just close it off. And then one section here. Here's his leg before. This is gonna be the top of his boot. So just a long rectangle. So now for the shoe, extend it. Again, just another rectangle. Okay, and then on the bottom here, come down, straight across past this, and then again, just a little curve, go up, come back down, start here, just curl, connect that. So it's just like the other shoe. Okay, and then for the details, turn, just 2 more. Okay, so same thing here. Come down, straight across, little curve, start here, same thing on the bottom, just a rectangle, and then right here, his toes. Alright, and then it's got some detail right here, it's got some wrapping here. So I'm going to draw one line. Actually, this is part of his pants from the top. And then for the wrapping, I'll just add a few of these lines. Give it a slightly different angle. And that is it for these 2 versions of Shino. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you next time.